Hello students, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And here in this session, as you can see, we are seeing C program continuously. Here we are going to discuss that if three numbers are given, then if we need to find that which number is greatest among that three numbers, how to write a C program for that. So in very simple steps, one by one, we are going to execute it. Easily you can see here, we are starting our program from main function. Here we have declared three variables A, B, C, most probably just because of taking three variables as an input from the user. First of all, we are printing the statement printf enter any three numbers, just to make user aware that he or she have to enter the three numbers, right? So whatever number is user is going to enter, we are going to store the first number at the address of A, second number at the address of B, and third number at the address of C. Okay. Now, the main part of logical implementation is starting from here. Now we are checking if A is greater than or equals to B. So when A is going to call here, whatever user entered as the first number is going to call, because let's say user entered 10, 20, 30. So 10 is going to call that whether 10 is greater than or equals to 20 or not. Whatever the number which is stored in A, user has stored the first number, it is going to call and it is going to compare its value with the B. That if A is greater than or equals to B, if it is true, if it is true means A is greater than B, then we are going to again compare A is greater than C or not. So if A is greater than C, it is 100% confirmed that A is the largest number. But if A is not greater than C, then 100% it is sure that C is the greatest one, because A is already greater than B. And if C is not greater than and A is not greater than C, then 100% C is greater, right? So this is the case. Now else, if A is not greater than B, in that case we are going to compare B with C. So if B is greater than or equals to C, definitely B is greatest, because B is here it is false. It means that A is not greater. Then if B is greater, it means that B is greatest among all these three. Else, simply C is the greatest one, right? So this is the simple program, and if you want, I can also run it on the command prompt so that you can easily see that how it's going to run. So the program name is great number grtnum.c. With this extension, with this name, I have stored the program grtnum. It's compiling. Let it compile. And after compilation, yeah, executable file A is generated. Enter three numbers. Let me enter the three numbers. Let's say I am entering 7. The next number is, let's say, 9, and the third number is 11. As I put the enter button, 11 is the largest number, right? So it's the output. So I hope the how this program is going to run. It's very easy program, basic concepts of C, and I hope it's going to get it right. Further, if you have any doubt or any kind of confusion, query, problem, you can comment in the section, right? I'll be trying to solve it as early as possible from my side. Thank you so much, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.